What happens when you mix fabric softener with rubbing alcohol? You get a mind-blowing DIY household secret. Let's build it.
Instead of buying expensive fabric sprays, this combination creates the ultimate 2-in-1 wrinkle release and air freshener.
Here is all you need. Your favorite fabric softener, 70% isopropyl alcohol, warm water, and a spray bottle. Step 1. Pour 1 cup of warm water into your mixing container. Warm water helps all the ingredients combine smoothly.
Step 2. Add 2 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. The alcohol works as a fast drying agent and kills odor-causing bacteria.
Step 3. Pour in 2 tablespoons of fabric softener. This softens cloth fibers and leaves an incredible, long-lasting scent.
Gently stir everything together. Notice how the alcohol breaks down the thick softener so it doesn't clog your spray nozzle. Pour the magic mixture through a funnel into your spray bottle, seal it tightly, and give it a quick shake.
How does it work? The alcohol relaxes the fabric fibers while evaporating instantly, locking in the smoothing effect of the softener. Test number 1. Wrinkle release. Spray a light mist over a wrinkled shirt from about 8 inches away. Give the fabric a gentle tug and smooth it down with your hands. Watch those stubborn creases disappear without an iron.
Test number 2, odor eliminator. Spray it on couches, curtains, or bed sheets to instantly neutralize smells and freshen the air.
Look at this transformation. From a wrinkled mess to iron-sharp smoothness in less than 2 minutes for just pennies. Pro tip, always shake before use and avoid using it on delicate fabrics like silk or leather. Try this ultimate life hack today. Hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more amazing DIY cleaning secrets.